So today we are talking about paint and colour, and paint, to be honest, is your best styling tool. Have a look at this very ordinary bland kitchen. It's been painted black, and can you see how dramatic one coat of black paint can just transform the kitchen? Okay, matte versus shiny paints. I always use matte, just always use it. I use a scrubbable matte, which means it's never dirty. So please don't worry about people leaving fingerprints on your matte paint because you can wash it. If you use shiny paint, it tends to show up every lump and bump and imperfection. And personally, I think it looks a bit cheap and nasty, to be honest, but that's just me. Now, the colour that you paint your room is actually the backdrop to your scheme, and it will show off all your furniture. As you can see, this room is navy. Can you see the comparison with the hall on the outside? It's very different. Again, a navy hall, white stairs with navy steps. Now this one it's actually lovely and warm. It's just painted a neutral colour, but again, it's the backdrop for the room. Now, white is a colour. I get so fed up with people saying that white's not a colour. Look at the contrast between the black matte and the white matte here. It's absolutely stunning, I think. And again, wallpaper and matte paint, both washable. Again, it makes the room look bright and airy. And even in a bedroom, different shades of white can be very, very relaxing and very comforting. But what I want you to do is I want you to get your colour block and have a look at the enormous shades and hues of white there is. Floors can be painted too, by the way. You can actually take this dreary old floor here and paint it into something magnificent. I mean, look at this. These are just old floorboards painted blue. And lots of people like the shabby chic look. I don't know why, but they do. But please always remember to use floor paint. There is such a thing, and it is hard wearing, and it will add colour to your room.